Here's a video about this Galaxy 9-inch fan that I just finished working on. I waxed the plastic on it and I waxed the blade, so it's extremely nice. It already looked nice when I got it, but the paint wasn't waxed and it had some dirt on it. I even serviced it. You can see I just sanded a little bit just to get that knob off. But this thing looks amazing. Has the original box. I'll go get it later or show it, but other than that, this thing is basically mint. Has most of the cage clips. Actually, I think it has all of them. But other than that, it's basically mint. So it's the first one I've seen that doesn't have bearing damage. No up and down play. So here it is on high or low. I even add some grease to the gearbox and oil to the bearings. Shakes a little bit. Kind of high for this fan, but that's what they drew. It's a shade pole motor, so you can't expect much. There's a pretty good amount of air for what it is. I like the blue ones a lot too. But this isn't mine, it's going to somebody else. But they'll enjoy it. It was seized up, or it was kind of seized up when I got it, so I had to go through it. Here it is on high. I haven't run this one yet overnight, so I'm going to run it overnight, let it break in. Bearings are in pretty good shape for how cheap these were kind of made, but other than that, it's in really good shape, so it should last a long time. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.